Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Driaa'Alexandriaa. Guys, 10 video ideas. YouTubers, if y'all watching this video and y'all been sitting around like, oh.
We started off as a dream. Now I see it's turning into my reality. I built it from the ground organically. Now I'm hearing my name all through these streets. All these people with bigger names, they approach me. Get a rush through my veins when they repost me. You see, it's motivation to keep going.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Driaa'Alexandriaa, and if you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm gonna give you guys 10 video ideas. So first, I'm gonna start here. Hey y'all, and for all you upcoming YouTubers, if y'all watching this video and y'all been sitting around like, oh, should I start a YouTube? What should I post about? Where do I start? Come to your girl Driaa'Alexandriaa got you. Driaa'Alexandriaa got you. So if y'all don't know how to make y'all an intro, I actually have a video on my page. How y'all make y'all an intro if y'all on your phone. And actually, if you trying to start a YouTube, y'all don't need all that stuff, but y'all can get it. But I actually make all my videos on my iPhone. And I use TikTok to promote. I use TikTok now to promote my videos now. But basically, you really have to be consistent. Like, you got to be consistent. I'm talking about some consistent. Like, you got to post. You got to post. You got to post. And also, me, I wish I would to had looked more into YouTube before I started it. Because when I started it, I just started it. I just woke up and said, I'm gonna make me a YouTube. I'm gonna make me a YouTube. I don't do nothing. I work. And why not try to get some money for being me? Why not? So now that I started, I'm at 616 subscribers. I probably only been doing YouTube for what, I want to say about a month and a half now. And it's cool. It's cool to like just record what you doing and people like watching you like, hey DA gang, like I love you. Y'all are my DA babes. Like, hey. So boom, I actually wrote some ideas down because I couldn't think of them. Like, I ain't gonna remember them. And what I got wrote down, these 10 ideas, it helped my channel blow up. It helped my channel go from 3 views to 4.8k views and 2k, 1k, all them views. So I don't know, all these video ideas might not work for everybody, but to get your channel up off the ground, you better listen to Driaa'Alexandriaa. You better listen to me. So when you start your YouTube, like I said, you always want to create your intro. Your intro is not gonna be good at first, cause trust me, my intro when I first started, it was not good. It was decent, but it wasn't good. It was decent, but it wasn't good. But I didn't have no subscribers either. So it was really good then. So you want to have your video intro. You want to come up with your name, your intro and your name, and that all ties into how you bring your people in. You want something catchy. You want your intro song matters a lot. You want a song that you like, but you want a song that everybody else like, and it's trending. So that's number one. You want to have your nice intro on your page. That should be your first video when you start your YouTube. Your second video, you want to do a get to know me video. So basically, when you do a get to know me video, you basically tell your channel about yourself, what you're gonna do on your channel. Even if you say you're gonna do something and you don't do it, just don't forget that. Like, you need to be doing it later on in your channel. If you just need to do it. Okay, because I did it. But guess what? When your viewers come and they start watching your videos, because you never know if your video will pop up on recommended. You never know which video is gonna pop up. It's like YouTube personally is like a lottery. It's like a lottery. You know how a lot of you, like, you keep playing and playing? Yeah, that's how YouTube is. It's like a lottery. You keep posting and keep posting and keep posting and keep posting, and eventually a video gonna pop up somewhere. And one day you gonna wake up, you gonna have 3 views on a video, and then the next day your video gonna shoot up there. So your third video you can do is a Q&A. A Q&A, that was probably like my 6th video I did. If you ain't got no questions to ask nobody, then make up your own questions. Create something. Make some up. Do something a stranger asks you. It's okay. That's what I did. Well, I made up some questions, but I also text people and tell them to send me some questions, so you can do that. That will help your channel get to know y'all a little better too. But that shower routine, that can be video number 4. My shower routine. I think I did 2 on my channel, but the first one, it went up a little bit, but it didn't really go up. But my second one, it's kind of still in the making, so you can do a shower routine. But if you're not comfortable with your body, or if you don't got the confidence, then you can do something else. Like, but I also, when I started, I was like, dang, what people gonna think about me if I post this? Like, but when you do YouTube, you got to get comfortable with the camera, so you got to get out your comfort zone, baby girl. A 5th video idea for beginners are girl talk. I did my first girl talk video the day after New Year's with my sister. So that was actually my first collab. I'm putting her name right here, Keela Monique. Y'all go subscribe to my baby. Wig tutorials. So ladies, if y'all do hair and y'all love to do hair, baby, post what you love to do. Do what you love to do. Show them ladies how to do wig tutorials. And if you're gonna start YouTube and do wig tutorials, baby, comment your name down below, cause I'm trying to get into this hair stuff. I'm trying to get into these wig tutorials, baby girl. Get ready with me. Baby, y'all put clothes on every day. Y'all put clothes on every day. Record that. Record it, baby. Show them your sheen. Show them your Fashion Nova. With them Fashion Nova babes. Show them that. Show them that. Y'all do this every day. Show them. Record it. Pick that phone up. Pick that camera up. Pick that Droid up. Pick that iPad tablet up. Record. Everything is content, baby. Everything is content. You can never get enough content. Shopping hauls. For all you shopping-holics out there. Record when y'all go to the mall. Record when y'all swipe that card. Y'all cannot be scared to pull your phone out in public. You cannot be scared. Okay. And your 9th one is a day in life. So basically, a day in life is when you record from the time you wake up and to the time you go to bed. Mind you, you don't have to have your phone out all day. You can record and you'll get into that. Once you start getting into the YouTube, you'll see what I'm talking about. Like, you don't have to have your phone out all day, but you record your day. Y'all do it on Snapchat. Record your day in life. And your 10th one can be a skincare routine. Skincare, hygiene, all that stuff. My pen keep flying out my hand. But those are 10 video ideas that can help your channel blow if you is a beginner YouTube. And if you're watching this and you're thinking about creating a YouTube, and y'all can comment your YouTube name under my channel, and I wish you guys luck. And I also want to thank you guys for going on my YouTube journey with me, because some people, when my subscribers who came, y'all really got me out my comfort zone. And I want to say thank y'all for 616 subscribers. We is on the road to 800, and then we're gonna be on the road to 1K. And I hope you guys do decide to start your YouTube channel. Do not procrastinate in 2023, because 23 is all blessings and money, and you can never get enough money. You can never get enough content. And that is the end of this video. Invite Driaa'Alexandriaa babes, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
It started off as a dream. Now I see it's turning into my reality. I built it from the ground organically. Now I'm